Hey everybody, it's Pirish with Great Southern Gunworks. Had a customer that brought in a Browning shotgun that wanted to get a Picatinny rail to put on the top of it, and just wanted to do a little short video and kind of show customers how it's done and kind of how the procedure goes and what it looks like before and after, and just wanted to do a short little video. All right, everybody, this is the 12 gauge Browning that the customer wanted the Picatinny rail installed on. This is the rail here, and it will be mounted up here on the receiver so that he can put a hollow sight or a scope for turkey hunting on the gun. The next thing I'm going to show y'all is the gun set up in the milling machine so that we can go ahead and get it drilled and tapped. Okay, so we got everything set up in the milling machine. We've got the receiver trued. And next thing we're going to do is set up the drill bits and get everything aligned, and I'll show you all the drilling process. Okay, so we got the drill bit set up. We've got our first hole zeroed and its correct location. We've got 3 holes to drill, one at 0, one at 1.475, and one at 2.875. We've got our digital readout zeroed, so we are ready to start. We're going to get the first hole drilled, and then we will tap each hole as we drill them so that we can keep everything perfect in alignment. Alrighty, we're going to get the tap set up and we will get that hole tapped out. Okay, so we got the tap set up on our first hole. I'm going to go ahead and tap it. I do all of my tapping by hand so that I can feel everything and make sure that there's no issues with anything. I will get this hole tapped out. I'll go ahead and drill the other 2 holes and get both of those tapped out. The next thing I'll show y'all is actually mounting the base, and then we will get the gun pack together and it will be ready for the customer. Okay, so we've got our second hole set up. We've got it moved over to 1" 475, and we're going to get that one drilled and then get that one tapped. All right, so we've got the hole drilled, we've got the tap set up, and we've already got this hole drilled and tapped, so it is ready to go to move to the next hole. All right, we've moved over to the third hole, which is set up at 2.875. We've got that set up on the machine. We are ready to drill that hole and then get it tapped also. All right, so same thing again. We have got the tap set up. We are going to go ahead and get this third hole tapped, and then we'll bring it over to the bench vise and we'll get it set up and check all our clearances and get the base mounted on there. All right, so we've got everything drilled and tapped. We're going to get ready to check our base, make sure everything aligns the way it's supposed to, which no problems with any of that. We're going to go ahead and get some blue Loctite, put on all 3 of the screws, and then we'll get the base mounted on there, and then the gun will be ready to be reassembled. All right, so we got the base mounted. We've got the gun completely put back together. Everything is ready to go for the customer. Turned out great. He can mount whatever scope or hollow sight he wants to put on there. If y'all need anything like this done, y'all can reach me at extremerifles.com, and y'all can also visit my website, which is extremerifles.com. Thank y'all so much for watching.